Hey there. Do you want to upgrade your knowledge about what's trending in the real estate scene these days and which trends will rule in 2022? If yes, then you have landed at the right place. We have shortlisted some of the most trending styles and designs which are most likely to stay in vogue in the coming year. Considering the fact that we are going through a pandemic, the trends will keep into consideration the requirements of the new normal. Number 1. In this regard, a spacious look is going to be the first and the most important trend in home design. Now that we are spending more time at home and all our gatherings are happening in the safe space of the home, the need for space is obvious. Leaving behind the close and cozy look of a cute home, people will prefer a spacious home that gives them enough breathing space. Number 2. Next, nature is going to become a part of the indoors. It is because plants have a calming effect on the nerves, and it will also give people a feel of the outdoors within the space of the home. Therefore, plants and balcony gardens are going to be a huge hit in 2022. Number 3. Another important component, which was just an extra element earlier but will now become a trend, is the inclusion of sanitizing equipment at the entrance and other areas of the home. Home purifiers and sanitizing machines in funky yet elegant designs are going to be an essential part of every home in 2022. Number 4. Next, the idea of flexible spaces is also going to be in vogue in 2022. It is because many sectors are still functioning in the work from home mode. Also, we never know when another lockdown is imposed. Therefore, one might have to use their living room as an office or dining hall as a party place. So, flexibility in the usage of the space is going to be the need of the hour. These are all the trends that are going to be top hits according to us in 2022. And if you are wondering which brand is going to be fast enough to accommodate these trends even in their construction, then we have got a name for you. It's us, the Hallmark Builders. We are known for keeping up with the latest trends and requirements. Therefore, all our upcoming projects are being built while keeping in mind the needs of the new normal. From digital equipment to monitored entry and exit to spacious living, we have got it all covered. You can get in touch with us to inquire more about our projects and their specifications.